What's up, people? My name is Nonye Richy, and you are welcome back to the Nonye Richy Show. Can't even imagine what time I'm making this video. Like, this is past 9 actually, and it's really late. But I just really have to do this video because I'm going to work tomorrow, and then I just had to drop it for some of you that really needs this. So let's dig into it. So I'll be doing a very fast video on how to comment on YouTube, how to comment on YouTube videos. So for most of you guys that watch YouTube videos, you watch them, you like them, and you really want to drop a very nice comment or a hateful comment, or like want to criticize the video but you don't know how to do it. So this video is for you. So I've posted my videos lately, and I have like 5 or 6 of my friends that actually don't know where to comment or where to comment here, because I found out that they normally comment on my WhatsApp, which is really okay, but it's always good sometimes to comment on the platform so that you could get a lot of engagement. So I'll be doing a very fast video on how to comment on YouTube. So let's get right to it, guys. Hey guys, don't mind my funny face there either, because I'm just trying to play around with my my pictures and my emojis. So I'm going to show you how to comment on a YouTube video with your phone and with your system. So I think I have to start with the phone first. Okay, then let's start with the YouTube app. That's my YouTube app. So when we load the YouTube app, we eventually scroll down. Let's use this for question and answer with my boo Chuma. So that's it. You see like, you see dislike, you see share, and you see download. There's no comment section. So what do you do to find the comment section and drop a comment? So all you're gonna do is just scroll all the way down or up, and then that's where you see the comment section. So that's it. You already have like 796 comments. So you see add public comment there. So that's where you can put up your comment. So let's try out something. Let's try and write something. The ABCD, you write whatever you want to write and then post. So of course I'm not going to post it because what I just wrote doesn't make sense. So I'm just going to clear it here. I'm just going to clear it right now. So that's it for now. Probably let me use my page. Maybe my page would probably make more sense, the one you know. So that's my page, and I have wow, I have already 198 subscribers, which is really a great thing. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for subscribing. I can't wait to reach 200, probably 1000. So that's my latest video. I just posted recently. So let's try commenting on it. So you're just gonna click the video and watch. As you can see, you already seen the like and everything, and the comment is not there. So all you have to scroll way down, and that's where you see the comment, which I already have like 8 comments. So in case you want to add a comment, just add a public comment. Where you see a public comment, click there and write something. Nonye, this is great, or whatever you want to write. Just click there, type something, and then you paste it, you post it. That's how to comment on YouTube, for most of you that really don't have an idea about that. So that's right about it for your phones, for those of you that watches YouTube with your phone. So that's how to add comments on your YouTube channel. As you can see, I already added mine. So let's get right to system using a laptop. Hey Evie, I'm seeing your post here, cute post in 5 minutes on my homepage, which is a really good thing. Kind of makes you open the video really fast. So this is my girl's video. In case you don't know, her name is Avil1. So just subscribe to our YouTube channel. Probably let me use my friend's one as an example. So this is my girl's video. Okay, so this is my girl's video, Avil1, and let's see what she has, what she got. Her hair is like way super nice. For those of you that are on natural hair and you want to be on natural hair, her vlog is really for you. So you just go subscribe to her YouTube channel, Avil1, and she will probably teach you everything you need to know. So So let's go right to the comment section. For using laptop to watch YouTube videos, it's not really much stress like a phone, because it's easier. Like once you just open the video, you just see the comments. Like you just see the comments immediately. So this way you drop your comments. As I said, wherever you see add a public comment, that's where you drop your comment. So you get right to add a public comment. You write something and then you comment. That's generally all about it. Okay guys, so that's everything. That simply happens. Or you can also work from my own channel. You go to my channel. It's I've actually explained everything I explained here. Basically, it's not really a day's job to comment on YouTube. So thank you guys for watching this show. Thank you guys for watching this particular video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope it was really helpful, because I really wanted to do it for most of you, so that you guys would be able to be commenting on my show. So next time I post a video, or obviously in this one, make sure you drop a comment and tell me that you've learned it, because I'll be really very happy. Thank you guys again for joining me. Please drop a comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. So I see you guys next time. Bye.